The following is a Python program to calculate area of rectangle. A rectangle has a length and width, so we'll need to get both those as input from the user. So, length equals float of input string, please enter rectangle length, colon space. Width equals float of input string, please enter rectangle width, colon space. Next, area equals length times width. If we print area and run the code and enter 8 for length and 3 for width, we'll see the area of this rectangle is 24 units squared. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.